This is the review lesson of a Feldenkrais awareness through movement. If you haven't done the original lesson, or need to watch the gist in advance, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's begin the lesson. Lie on the right side, please. Slowly lift the head from the floor a few times. Make sure that the left ear comes close to the left shoulder to bend the neck. Leave it alone and rest. Roll the pelvis up toward the head a few times. Now, let's combine these movements. Roll the sit bone, and at the same time lift the head from the floor. Do this a few times. Feel the head lifts easily with the help of the pelvis. Leave it and roll to lie on the back and rest. Let's do it on the other side. Lie on the left side. Roll the sit bone, and at the same time lift the head from the floor. Do it a few times. Feel the rolling of the pelvis helps lift the head easily. Leave it and rest on the back, please. Sit on the chair, please. Lift the left sit bone to roll the pelvis, and at the same time bend the head left once. Lift the right sit bone to roll the pelvis, and at the same time bend the head right once. Like this, do it alternately. Leave it and stand up. Walk around. Feel what happens at the moment you lift a heel as you walk. This concludes the lesson. Thank you.